We'll guide you through how to download files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Files to access your stored documents. Browse through your files and folders to find the one you need to download. After locating the file, hover your cursor over it and you'll see a small checkbox appear next to it. Click that checkbox to select the file. If you want to download multiple files, go ahead and check the boxes for each file you wish to download. Once your files are selected, look towards the top of the page for the download button. It's usually represented by a downward arrow icon. Click on this button and Dropbox will prepare your download. If you've selected multiple files, they'll be downloaded as a single zip file. Make sure you have a file compression tool to extract them later. Depending on your browser settings, you might be prompted to choose a download location, or the files may automatically be saved to your default download folder. Once downloaded, you can open the files directly from your computer, and if it's a zip file, right-click and select Extract to access the individual files within. Remember, downloading large files might take some time, so be patient. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to download your files from Dropbox. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.